WTI. I am so in love with this set of yoga wheels by Florensi. They are cork, which is the number one thing that I am so excited about. So they're eco-friendly. I think they look really nice. They look really amazing in my little at-home fitness studio. And they are just a really lovely feel. They're super, super strong and durable. And they're also sweat and slip resistant, which is really important to me because I'm a little bit of a sweater. I love that cork feel. Look how thick that padding is. They're just really, really excellent quality. You can see inside, look how pretty these are. So I love that they come in the 3 sizes. So the larger one, I really love for kind of helping me with my balance work. The medium one is great for that, helping me when I'm not quite there, when I'm learning a new move and I just need like a little bit of assistance. Also great for relieving stress in the muscles. And the smaller one, I really like, almost kind of like a little bit of an assist, like a yoga block. If I can't quite reach the floor in a particular move and I'm kind of working on that, then this gives me a little bit of height. So this set is just perfect. It's everything that I need. It's incredible quality. It's going to assist me as I continue to grow in strength and balance and flexibility. And on top of all of that, and being eco-friendly, it looks really, really beautiful as a set in my studio. And it even comes with a strap too, which I can include in my practice and help me to get the most out of my time that I show up on the mat. I'm so excited for these. I really love them, and they're just really, really lovely quality. That's just my point of view.